What if I told you that some of the most viral kitchen gadgets in 2026 are not just trending, but actually transforming the way people cook in the United States right now? Every single day, millions of people are browsing Amazon searching for tools that promise to save time, reduce effort, and make cooking easier. But here's the truth. Not every viral gadget is worth your money. Some look incredible in short videos, but when you actually use them, they don't perform the way you expect. And that's exactly why I decided to test 10 of the most viral kitchen gadgets that everyone is buying right now. These are the same products blowing up on YouTube, TikTok, and Amazon trending pages. Some of these gadgets completely surprised me with how useful they are, while others made me question why they even went viral in the first place. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly which gadgets are worth buying and which ones you should skip. If you want to save time, make your kitchen more efficient, and avoid wasting money, you need to watch this till the end. Because the number one gadget on this list is something that can completely upgrade your cooking experience. Let's start with number 10. Number 10. ThermoPro Wireless Meat Thermometer. Cooking meat perfectly is something that most people struggle with, whether you're a beginner or someone who cooks regularly. The biggest problem is guessing when the food is done. You either cut into it too early or leave it too long, which ruins the texture. That's exactly where the ThermoPro Wireless Meat Thermometer Model TP20 becomes a complete game changer. This gadget allows you to monitor the internal temperature of your food in real time without opening the oven or grill. You simply insert the probe into the meat, set your desired temperature, and let the device do the rest. It comes with a wireless receiver, which means you can move around your house while still tracking your cooking. This is especially useful for grilling, which is extremely popular in the USA. What makes this gadget stand out is accuracy. Instead of guessing, you get precise readings, ensuring your steak, chicken, or turkey comes out perfect every single time. Another great feature is the preset temperature options for different types of meat, making it beginner-friendly. Viral cooking videos often show perfect results, and tools like this are the reason behind that consistency. Once you use it, you realize how easy cooking becomes when you remove guesswork completely. Number 9. Fullstar Vegetable Chopper Pro. Chopping vegetables is one of the most repetitive and time-consuming tasks in any kitchen. It takes effort, time, and sometimes even causes frustration, especially when you're in a hurry. The Fullstar Vegetable Chopper Pro Model 47781 completely changes that experience. This gadget uses a simple press-down mechanism combined with interchangeable blades to chop vegetables quickly and evenly. You just place the vegetable inside, press the lid, and within seconds, everything is perfectly chopped. What makes this product so popular in the USA is the efficiency it brings. Instead of spending 15 to 20 minutes preparing ingredients, you can finish everything in under 2 minutes. Another major advantage is consistency. Every piece comes out evenly cut, which actually improves cooking results. It also reduces the need to use sharp knives frequently, making it safer. The built-in container collects all the chopped vegetables, reducing mess and making cleanup easier. Viral videos show it working instantly, and surprisingly, it performs exactly the same in real life. It turns a boring task into something quick and satisfying. Once you start using it, going back to manual chopping feels slow and outdated. Number 8. Chicken Shredder Tool Twist. Shredding chicken using forks is one of those tasks that feels unnecessarily slow and messy. It takes time, effort, and often leaves your hands tired. The Chicken Shredder Tool Twist Model BYT001 is designed to completely eliminate that problem. This gadget works with a simple twist mechanism. You place cooked chicken inside the container, close the lid, and twist it back and forth. Within seconds, the chicken is evenly shredded and ready to use. What makes this gadget go viral is how satisfying it looks in action, but more importantly, how practical it is. It turns a 10-minute task into something that takes less than 10 seconds. This is especially useful for meal prep, which is extremely popular in the USA right now. Whether you're making tacos, salads, sandwiches, or bowls, shredded chicken is a common ingredient. Another advantage is cleanliness. Instead of using your hands or forks, everything stays contained inside the device. It's easy to clean, durable, and saves a significant amount of time. Once you try it, you'll wonder why you didn't start using it earlier. Number 7. Auoon Clip-On Silicone Strainer. Draining pasta or vegetables is something we all do, but it's often messy and inconvenient. Traditional colanders take up space and require transferring hot food, which can be risky. The Auoon Clip-On Silicone Strainer solves this problem with a simple but clever design. It clips directly onto your pot, allowing you to drain water without moving the food. This makes the entire process faster, safer, and much more efficient. What makes this gadget stand out is its flexibility and ease of use. It fits most pots and pans, and the silicone material is heat-resistant and durable. This is why it has become extremely popular in viral kitchen videos. People love tools that simplify everyday tasks without adding complexity. Another big advantage is space saving. Unlike traditional strainers, this takes up almost no storage space. It's one of those small upgrades that makes a big difference in your daily routine. Once you start using it, you realize how unnecessarily complicated draining used to be. Number 6. Spring Chef Ice Cream Scoop. Scooping hard ice cream can be frustrating, especially when the scoop struggles to cut through and you end up with uneven portions. The Spring Chef Ice Cream Scoop Model 02938 is designed to solve that problem completely. This scoop features a strong, durable metal construction combined with an ergonomic handle that provides a comfortable grip. What makes it unique is how smoothly it glides through even the hardest ice cream. Instead of struggling, you get clean, round scoops every time. This gadget has become popular because it delivers consistent results, just like what you see in professional dessert videos. It's not just about looks, though. It also reduces effort and makes serving desserts faster. Another advantage is versatility. You can use it for cookie dough, mashed potatoes, or even melon balls. It's dishwasher safe, easy to clean, and built to last. Once you use a high-quality scoop like this, cheap ones feel ineffective. It's a simple tool, but it significantly improves a small yet frequent task in your kitchen. Number 5. Hamilton Beach Mini Food Processor. When it comes to everyday cooking, there are always small tasks that feel more annoying than they should be. Chopping onions, mincing garlic, or blending small quantities often turns into a bigger job because you either have to use a knife repeatedly or bring out a large blender that takes time to clean. That's exactly where the Hamilton Beach Mini Food Processor Model 72850 becomes a game changer. This compact gadget is designed specifically for quick, small tasks that you deal with almost every day. It features a simple one-touch operation, which means you just press the lid, and it instantly starts chopping or blending. What makes it stand out is its efficiency. Despite its small size, it has enough power to handle vegetables, nuts, sauces, and even light blending tasks with ease. Another big advantage is convenience. Since it's compact, it doesn't take up much space, and cleaning it is extremely quick compared to larger appliances. This is one of the main reasons why it's trending in the USA, where people value time-saving kitchen tools. Viral videos often show it chopping onions in seconds, and in real life, it delivers exactly that level of performance. Once you start using it, you realize how unnecessary it feels to use bigger machines for small tasks. It's one of those gadgets that quietly becomes part of your daily routine without you even thinking about it. Number 4. Cambom Rotary Cheese Grater. Grating cheese is one of those kitchen tasks that seems simple but quickly becomes tiring and messy. Using a traditional grater requires effort, and there's always the risk of accidentally scraping your fingers. The Cambom Rotary Cheese Grater solves this problem with a completely different approach. Instead of pushing cheese against sharp blades, you place it inside the container and rotate the handle, which spins the blades automatically. This makes the process faster, safer, and much more comfortable. What makes this gadget stand out is how smooth and efficient it feels. You can grate cheese, vegetables, nuts, or even chocolate within seconds without applying much effort. This is why it has become extremely popular in viral kitchen videos. People love seeing how quickly it transforms a task that normally takes time into something almost effortless. Another advantage is safety. Your hands stay away from the blades, which significantly reduces the risk of injury. It also comes with different drum attachments for various slicing and grating styles, adding versatility. Cleaning is surprisingly easy because most parts are detachable. Once you use this gadget, going back to a traditional grater feels inconvenient and outdated. It's not just about speed. It's about making the entire process smoother and more enjoyable. Number 3. Amazon Basics Digital Kitchen Scale. When it comes to cooking and especially baking, precision can make a huge difference in your final results. Many people rely on measuring cups and guesswork, but even small inaccuracies can affect the taste and texture of your food. The Amazon Basics Digital Kitchen Scale solves this problem by giving you exact measurements instantly. This gadget allows you to weigh ingredients in grams, ounces, pounds, and milliliters, making it extremely versatile for different recipes. What makes it so popular in 2026 is the growing trend of meal prep and fitness tracking in the USA. People want accurate portion sizes, and this scale makes it easy to achieve that. Another important feature is the tare function, which lets you subtract the weight of containers so you only measure the ingredient itself. The design is sleek, lightweight, and fits easily into any kitchen setup. What impressed me the most is how quickly it becomes part of your routine. Once you start using it, you realize how unreliable guesswork actually is. Viral cooking content often focuses on perfect results, and tools like this play a big role in achieving that consistency. It's simple, affordable, and incredibly effective. Number 2. Crock-Pot Electric Lunchbox. In today's fast-paced lifestyle, especially in the USA, people are constantly looking for ways to save time while still enjoying homemade food. The Crock-Pot Electric Lunchbox is designed exactly for that purpose. This portable food warmer allows you to heat your meals anywhere, whether you're at work, traveling, or even in your car. Instead of relying on microwaves or eating cold food, you can simply plug it in and let it warm your meal gradually. What makes this gadget so popular is convenience. You prepare your food at home, take it with you, and heat it when you're ready to eat. The design is compact and easy to carry, making it perfect for office workers and students. Another advantage is that it heats food evenly without drying it out, which often happens in microwaves. Viral videos have made this product extremely popular because people love the idea of having hot, homemade meals anywhere. It's a simple concept, but it solves a very real problem. Once you start using it, eating outside food feels less necessary. It's one of those gadgets that improves your daily routine in a very practical way. Number 1. Ninja Creamy Ice Cream Maker. We've finally reached number 1, and this gadget truly stands out from the rest. The Ninja Creamy Ice Cream Maker Model NC301 is not just another kitchen appliance. It's a complete dessert-making system. What makes it so special is its ability to turn almost any frozen base into smooth, creamy ice cream, sorbet, milkshakes, or gelato within minutes. You simply freeze your ingredients beforehand, place the container inside the machine, and select the desired mode. The device then processes the mixture into a perfectly textured dessert. What makes this gadget go viral is the level of customization it offers. You can control ingredients, sugar levels, and flavors, making it perfect for people who want healthier or personalized desserts. This is especially popular in the USA, where people are becoming more health-conscious but still want to enjoy treats. Another major advantage is consistency. Every time you use it, you get smooth and professional quality results. Viral videos often show incredibly satisfying transformations, and in real life, it delivers exactly that experience. It's easy to use, surprisingly versatile, and turns dessert making into something fun and creative. Once you start using it, store-bought ice cream doesn't feel the same anymore.